Welcome to Lana English Channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back to English Made Friendly. We are so happy you're here again. Really, give yourself a little clap. Because if you're listening today, it means you're serious about learning English and you're being consistent. That makes us proud of you.
Yeah, absolutely. You're showing up. And you know what? Showing up is like half the battle. So pat yourself on the back. No, really do it. Unless you're in public, then people might look at you funny.
Or they'll think you're very proud of yourself, which honestly is not a bad thing.
True. And if this is your first time listening, welcome, welcome. We are your friendly English learning buddies.
Yeah, think of us as the friends who sit with you at a cafe, sip coffee, and chat in English. We make mistakes, we laugh, and we learn together.
And don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Seriously, smash it like you're trying to open a coconut. Boom! That way, you'll never miss an episode.
Okay, maybe just click it gently. We don't want broken phones, Jack.
Right. Gently, but firmly.
Okay, before we dive in, here's what we're going to learn today. You'll discover a super simple but powerful trick to improve your English speaking. And guess what? You don't need a teacher. You don't need a partner. You just need yourself.
That's right. Today's topic is talking to yourself in English. Talking to yourself.
Yes, it sounds a little funny, but trust us, it works. We'll show you why, how, and give you some fun examples to try.
So stick around, because by the end of this episode, you'll be ready to practice English anywhere, even if you're just alone in your room.
Short music transition.
Okay, Lana, let's start with the big question. Why should someone talk to themselves in English? Isn't that weird?
Yeah, it sounds weird, but it's actually amazing. Think about it. When you talk to yourself, there's no pressure. Nobody's judging you. Nobody's correcting you mid-sentence. You can just practice freely.
Exactly. You can say, what should I cook today? Maybe pasta. No, maybe rice. And boom, you just practice English without even opening a textbook.
And you don't have to worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of the process. Talking to yourself is like a safe playground.
I love that. A safe playground. You can fall down, you can laugh, and you can get back up.
Yep. And actually, research shows that self-talk helps people learn faster because you're thinking and speaking at the same time. Your brain connects ideas with words.
So basically, when you talk to yourself, you're training your brain to think in English.
Exactly. And that's the dream, right? To think in English instead of translating everything from your language.
All right, let's give our listeners some easy starting tips. Jack, what's step 1?
Step 1, start small. Don't try to give a speech to yourself like, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, although that could be fun.
Yeah, but really, start with simple sentences. For example,
I am brushing my teeth. I feel sleepy. I want coffee.
that's good. Just describe what you're doing. It's called narration, like you're the narrator of your own life.
Yeah, pretend you're the voice in a documentary. Here we see Lana drinking her 5th cup of coffee.
Hey! It's only 3.
Sure. Anyway, step 2, practice daily, even 5 minutes, maybe while cooking, walking, or before bed.
And step 3, don't worry about grammar too much. Just speak. Fluency comes first, accuracy comes later.
Okay, let's make this fun. Let's do some role play self-talk.
All right, imagine you're walking to the bus stop. You can say, okay, I need to catch the number 12 bus. I hope it's not late. Oh no, there's a dog. Cute dog, but I'm scared of dogs.
Perfect. Or if you're cooking, I will make an omelet. First, I need eggs. Oh no, no eggs. Okay, maybe noodles instead.
And if you're cleaning your room, this room is a mess. Why do I have so many socks? Do socks multiply when I'm asleep?
That's actually me every weekend. See, it doesn't have to be serious. The sillier, the better. You remember it more.
Now, let's warn our listeners about common mistakes.
Mistake number 1, being too shy. Some learners think, oh, talking to myself is crazy, but hey, nobody's watching. And if someone is watching, just smile and say, I'm practicing English. Most people will respect you.
Yes. Mistake number 2, expecting perfection. You don't need perfect grammar or perfect vocabulary. Self-talk is about practice, not performance.
Mistake number 3, only repeating the same phrases. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. Try to mix it up. Add new words. Challenge yourself.
Exactly. Push yourself a little, but keep it fun.
All right, let's share some extra English tips for our amazing learners.
Let's practice self-talk at the grocery store together. We'll be both the shoppers and the inner thoughts.
Okay, I'll start. I'm walking into the grocery store and I'm thinking about dinner.
Okay, I'm you. So I'm thinking, oh, all this fresh fruit and vegetables. I feel healthy just looking at them.
Yeah, and I'm thinking I should buy some eggs. I can make an omelet for lunch.
Oh no, there are no eggs in the refrigerator.
Yeah, and I'm also thinking, what should I cook for dinner? Maybe pasta. No, I had pasta yesterday.
Okay, I'm thinking I should make chicken soup for dinner. It's cold outside, and I love chicken soup. And I need to buy some bread to go with the soup.
Yeah, and I'm thinking I should buy some ice cream. It's Friday, and I want to treat myself after a long week at work.
And I'm thinking I should buy some fresh fruit for dessert. I should eat more healthy.
Yeah, and I'm thinking, I hope they have my favorite ice cream. No, they don't have my favorite flavor.
I'm thinking I should buy some carrots. I can put them in the chicken soup.
Yeah, and I'm thinking, I should buy this black bread. I've never tried it before.
And that's it for our self-talk role play. We were both the shoppers and the inner thoughts. It was a little funny, but helpful. Remember, don't be afraid to talk to yourself. It's a great way to practice English.
Extra English tips for our amazing learners.
Tip 1, record yourself. Just use your phone. Later, listen and notice your progress. It feels strange at first, but it's powerful.
Tip 2, give yourself a character. Pretend you're a chef, a news reporter, or even a superhero. Breaking news, Jack forgot his keys again.
Love it. And tip 3, connect it with your goals. If you want to work in business, talk to yourself like you're in a meeting. If you want to travel, practice ordering food or asking for directions.
Exactly. Make your self-talk relevant.
And remember, learning English is a journey. Sometimes you'll feel amazing. Sometimes you'll feel stuck. That's normal.
Yeah, it's like exercise. Some days you run fast, some days you walk slow. But as long as you keep moving, you're winning.
Okay, Jack, let's give our listeners a challenge for this week.
Yes, here's your challenge. Spend 5 minutes every day talking to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing, what you see, or even what you're feeling.
And if you're brave, record it. Then next week, compare. You'll see improvement, even in just 7 days.
And hey, if you're listening right now, pause the episode after we finish and try it immediately.
All right, friends, that's all for today. Remember, talking to yourself is not crazy. It's smart.
It's your secret superpower for learning English.
We are so proud of you for listening, practicing, and showing up.
And don't forget to check out our previous episodes for more tips. If you missed them, go back and listen. We covered things like daily habits, vocabulary hacks, and how to stay motivated.
Yes, and of course, subscribe to the podcast so you don't miss the next one.
Because if you don't, Lana will drink all the coffee, and that's dangerous.
Hey, I already do that. Bye, friends. Keep talking, keep smiling, and keep learning English.